Painting an exterior door. Not always the easiest thing to do for the homeowner, because a lot of homeowners go with using a brush. Let me show you how to do it right. Number one, come in close. I want them to see the weather strip on the door all around. Come in close and just show them that. Thank you. I took the weather strip out. What you're looking at is the voided space that takes place when you remove the weather strip all around. I took it out because when you spray the door, you want the paint to get inside where the paint won't go if you don't remove it. And so I'll show you what I'm talking about. When you remove the weather strip, you want to take it out with this tool. I got this tool at Sherwin-Williams, and it's called the 2-edge knife. It's a 5-in-1 that does a lot more. So here's my weather strip. Now here's the thing. When you take these things off, label them. Put a piece of tape over them and identify them by left vertical, right vertical, and the top. And you want to know the way it goes back in. Where's the bottom? Where's the top? Okay? Don't go through the trouble of taking them down unless you're going to put them up with ease after you label them. That's the right way to do it, so you don't drive yourself crazy. Secondly, now you understand what that does. It allows me, when I'm spraying, to get in that area. Otherwise, you can't paint in there. You see that? If I got my weather strip in there, it's blocked. And that looks stupid. Then what are you going to do? Open the door and roll it? Everybody's going to know you did a half-hiney job on the door. Okay, that's number one. Two, you want to mask your locks and your doorknob. Okay. Number three, let me introduce you to a product that you may like. Come on over here, please. Now, a lot of professional painters are out there painting the glass, and then they come by with a straight edge and they do this. Well, let me tell you something. To me, that's a waste of time. And a lot of customers don't want you painting their glass, but I see most professionals do it. I had a customer complain when I did what I'm about to tell you. They thought I was painting their glass. You see this film on here? That is a latex film that I put on there with a paintbrush. Let me show you the product. Just keep it right on the glass. Go ahead, now you can put the camera here. This is called liquid masking. Believe it or not, you can spray this on, brush it on, and what it does is it provides a membrane over the glass, just like a piece of rubber, so that when you're done, all you got to do is pull it off. It literally comes off just like you would a rubber glove, okay? It's called liquid masking. In the continental United States, this stuff is going for $70 a gallon. It's a rip-off. I love this stuff, but it's a rip-off, okay? So, but I'm using it because job goes quick. A professional painter's not going to pay $70 for it. He's going to pay about $48, but still, if I were a homeowner, I wouldn't spend $70 on this thing. Okay. So, let's see if we covered everything before I start spraying this thing. Okay. The other thing is, I'm going to do, it's going to go quick. I'm going to start my sprayer on the masking. I'm using a 10-inch extension on my sprayer, which means that it's going to spit when I start the sprayer up. So I'm going to start there. The extension causes the paint to spit. It dribbles out because when the pressure starts, what's in this extension dribbles out. It's called spitting. Likewise, at the end, when I release the trigger, what's in this comes out, not as spray, as dribble. So you want to start and finish off of the surface you're spraying, like this. So I started on the floor, I ended on the glass. you understand what I'm talking about. You don't want to start and finish on the surface you're painting. Okay, so we're going to do this quick. I'm going to paint columns up and down. I'm using a 6-inch fan. Okay, so I have a 313 tip, which gives me a 6-inch fan if I stay 12 inches from the door. A fan is, if you're looking at the sprayer from the top view, this is what a fan is, okay? This is a 6-inch fan. If I were using a 517 tip, this is what I would get. I would get a 10-inch fan. Okay. There was one other thing I wanted to tell you, but I forgot. Okay. Let's get to it. Coming close right over here. Oh, I know what I wanted to tell them. When I spray, I'm not going to pivot my wrist like this, because if I do this, I'm 12 inches from this, but when I do this, I'm 18 inches from here. That's not going to give me an even layer of paint. I'm going to do this. Okay, that's the plan. That's what you want to do as well. Let's go. Okay, I started down on the paper and I ended up in the corner. Now you can see why you want to remove your weather stripping. I cannot get in there unless I remove that weather stripping, okay? Can you just go behind me and show them how I'm filling in this area here? We're looking at the door and how the paint goes on, nice and easy, after having removed it. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, ready? I'm using a 50% overlap, which means every time I go up and down, I'm overlapping at one time. That door is done. Let's come out of the wake of the spray. Just show them the door. You can show them the evenness. You can zoom in. Show them how nice it looks up and down. That's it. You just go just like that. Beautiful. Just go nice up and down. Be careful where you step it. That's it. Now down. Look at how beautiful and even the spray pattern is. Very nice. And if you want to give your bottom just another hit while it's still wet and it won't alter the appearance of the paint, just come on the bottom, start off with the door. And there you have it. This house has a dog. And so the dog knocks on the door with his paw. So a little more paint down there won't hurt. Okay, do me a favor, click on like and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, please click on the notifications button and then hit all. You'll get all of my notifications when I publish a new video. Thanks for watching Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper. And if you have any suggestions on how you paint, let me know. Oftentimes I incorporate your suggestions into my video. If they're really good, I tell the people who told me. I'm using a 395, a Graco 395 sprayer. This is a 10-inch extension, and this is a 313 rack tip. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.